Hi everyone, I am Michele, a Ph.D. student at the Catalan Institute for Water Research. My research is within a European project where we deal with removing contaminants from water. That is, some artificial substances such as pharmaceuticals. Pharmaceuticals contain an active substance that is being absorbed and metabolized by our system. However, our body doesn't entirely absorb the pharmaceutical. A portion, although minimal, leaves our body through our excretions, such as feces and urine. So, every time we go to the bathroom and flush the toilet, some of the medicines we took end up in the sewer system until it reaches a wastewater treatment plant facility. What's the problem then? These chemical compounds pass through the treatment facility completely undisturbed and enter the water cycle. So the medicine we took, or even the antibiotics consumed by livestock in intensive farms, can end up back in the water we drink or the food we eat. Our project looks for sustainable solutions to remove these compounds before they enter the water cycle. How? Come into the lab with me. Preparing an experiment is like following a culinary recipe. First, you need the ingredients. My supermarket of choice is the sewage plant in Girona, where I get the primary product, the microorganisms. Once in the lab, I set up mini reactors at different conditions. In each bottle, I add a certain proportion of microorganisms, contaminants, food, and a nanomaterial called graphene to speed up the removal of pollutants. Then, I recreate the same condition favorable to microorganisms, ensuring gentle mixing and a temperature of 35 degrees Celsius. For about a month, we take measurements and samples. In our case, we measure the amount of biogas that the microorganisms can produce. Similarly, samples are processed to assess how much of the contaminants have been removed. Because of the very low concentration of contaminants, we use an instrument capable of detecting the mass of the molecules, a mass spectrometer. Thanks to this equipment and the values it will provide me, I will then understand which of the reactor was the most efficient in removing the contaminants. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to know more, follow us on our social channels.